The Hisense washing machine error code F01 indicates that the machine is not filling to the correct water level. This error code can be caused by a low water supply, which occurs when the machine detects that the water level has not reached its recommended threshold within 4 minutes. Other common causes include a blocked supply hose, which can be hindered by debris buildup and gunk from prolonged use, and clogged inlet screens, which are filters that ensure the water entering the machine is free from debris. Over time, these filters can become clogged, resulting in very small amounts of water entering the machine. A kinked water supply hose can also lead to the machine not getting enough water, often due to the quality of the hoses or the constant moving of the unit caused by vibrations. To fix the error, it is essential to ensure the water supply is turned on fully. Simply checking that the faucets are turned on fully can often clear the error. Before taking any further action, it is advisable to inspect the water source and verify that the water has been turned on. If the issue persists, checking the supply hose for blockages is the next step. This involves switching off the machine, accessing the back of the unit, placing a bowl under the hose to collect any spillage, and unplugging the hose to inspect for debris. Running a spin cycle can help dislodge any clogs. Additionally, ensuring the inlet screen is free from obstruction is crucial. This can be achieved by disconnecting the machine from the power source, removing the hoses, and unscrewing the screens from the machine. The screens should then be rinsed with running water to remove any sediment and dirt, and reattached securely to the machine to ensure good water flow. The machine can then be turned on and a spin cycle attempted. It is also important to check that the inlet hose is not kinked along the water supply route, as a kink can block the water flow. If a kink is found, it can be removed by stretching the hose from the point of the kink.